It all started with a wrong number, but what followed broke me in ways I never imagined. One phone call, one girl, and a love story that never got its ending. This happened around 8 years ago. One evening, a boy got a call from an unknown number. His phone was on silent, so he didn't hear it ring. Later, he noticed the missed call and dialed back out of curiosity. A girl answered. Confused, the boy asked, "Hey, who's this?" She replied gently, "Sorry, I called the wrong number." He said, "No problem, but wait, where are you from?" She told him the name of her village. His heart skipped. "No way, that's just 5 kilometers from where I live." They laughed at the coincidence. The boy didn't know her, but something about her voice pulled him in. They were in the middle of chatting when the call got disconnected. He tried calling again, but her phone was switched off. He figured maybe she was busy and let it go. But that one call stayed in his mind. Later that evening he tried again, still switched off. All night he tried calling, and every time it didn't go through, his heart sank a little more. He couldn't explain why, but he felt connected to this stranger. Days passed, then weeks, 2 whole months. He still called every day. Her phone was always off. He couldn't forget her. He didn't even know her properly, but her voice echoed in his mind. He just wanted to talk to her one more time. Then, out of nowhere, one night her phone rang. His heart raced. After so many days, he was finally hearing a ringtone instead of a shutdown message. He called again, and this time, she picked up. Before he could even speak, she said, "I can't talk to you anymore. My mom found out. Please don't call me again." She hung up. The boy froze. His chest tightened. He cried that night, but he still hoped. Weeks passed again. One day he called. She picked up. His voice trembled. "Please talk to me. I still think about you. I miss you." She replied coldly, "I don't know who you are. Please don't call me again. I'm married now." And just like that, she hung up. He sat there, phone in hand, heart crushed into pieces. The girl he never truly met, yet deeply loved, had moved on, or so he thought. Months later, he found out something that shattered him even more. She wasn't married. The man she was with, just her boyfriend. She lied to him. She gave his number to another guy who once called him and threatened him. He realized she didn't just leave him, she erased him. The boy never called again. He never got closure. He never found out why she played with his feelings like that. Now, he lives with nothing but her memory. No answers, no peace, just an empty space in his heart that still wonders. Why? Sometimes love doesn't give you the ending you hoped for. Sometimes it teaches you strength through silence. To anyone who has loved and lost, you are not alone. Your feelings were real. Your pain is valid. But don't let it break you forever. Let them go. Not because they didn't matter, but because you do. If you've ever had your heart broken, share this story with someone who'll understand. Drop a heart in the comments if you've ever loved someone who never loved you back. So, what was the best part for you? And did any words stick with you? Let me know down in the comments.